Hello, I'm going to show you how to fix Escape from Duckov issue. So let's start. First of all, you should go to the Windows search bar and type in Device Manager. This will pop up, so look for the display adapters and then open this upside arrow. From here, it will be displaying your graphics card, so make sure to select your NVIDIA or AMD graphics card. Do not select this one. After that, right click and select Update Driver. Now click on Search Automatically for Drivers and click Close. Do the same thing for the processors. Open it. Now you can click anyone, right click Update Driver and then select search automatically and close. For the next method, you can go to the search and type in NVIDIA, select the NVIDIA app. After opening it, make sure to sign up or log in with your account. After that, go to drivers in the left menu and click on install or the download button appearing on the right. Now leave it as express installation or you can switch it to custom. Either way, you need to click on continue in order to initiate the process. Now go to the left and select settings. After that, make sure to switch off the NVIDIA overlay. Once done, go to the Windows taskbar, select this upside arrow, and then look for the launcher that you have the game on. Right click on it and then select exit. Wait for a couple of moments. Go reopen the launcher once again. Need to go to your library and then select collections where you have the games on. Look for the game. It must be installed first, so select it and then click on this gear icon. Now click on properties. After that, go to installed files in the left menu and select verify integrity of game files. That way the corrupted or missing files that are causing the issue will be automatically fixed and recovered, so you need to make sure to wait for the process to finish. After that, go to the general option in the top left corner, go to launch options and type in -DX11. Make sure to close everything. Go to the search and look for settings. In the left menu, make sure to look for Windows Update. After that, make sure to download and install any pending updates you will find. Even if you do have any failed updates, make sure you are not stuck on a loop, glitched or Windows updates system. So if you do have that case, go to update history and then close the first two, select recovery. After that, click on reinstall now. And that's it. If you do find this video helpful, consider like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.